Hello everyone. In Udan Online Scouting Guiding Challenge 14 Virtual Scouting Guiding, I will tell you about First Aid Golden Rules. What is first aid? First aid is the provision of initial care for an illness or injury. It is usually performed by a layperson to a sick or injured casualty. Until definitive medical treatment can be accessed, certain self-limiting illness or minor injuries may not require further medical care past the first and intervention. Aims of first aid. The key aims of first aid can be summarized in three key points. Preserve life. The overriding aims of all medical care, including first aid, is to save lives. Prevent further harms, also sometimes called prevent the conditions from worsening. This covers both external factors such as moving a patient away from any cause of harm and applying first aid techniques to prevent worsening of the condition, such as applying pressure to stop a bleed becoming dangerous. Promote recovery. First aid also involves trying to start the recovery process from the illness or injury, and in some cases might involve completing a treatment, such as in the case of applying a plaster to a small wound. First aid kit content list. The first aid kit content should consist of all the basic essentials needs to treat an injury. Prepare a first aid kit content list and cross-check it with a medical practitioner. Visit the local drugstore and buy proper quantity of requirement according to the first aid kit content list. The following first aid kits content should be present in your kit: bar of soap, 2-inch roller bandage, 1-inch roller bandage, 1-inch adhesive, 3x3-inch stairs pad, triangular bandage, assorted couch pad, adhesive strips, oral thermometer, scissor, tweezers, sunburn lotion, lip salts, poison ivy lotion, small flashlight with extra batteries and bulbs, absorbent cotton, iodine tablet, safety pins, needles, paper curbs, food powders, instant ice pack, insect repellent, insect sting salts, matches, oil of cloves, hot water bottle, alcohol wipes, acetaminophen and ibuprofen, gloves, 1 blanket space blanket, antibiotic cream, antiseptic solution like hydrogen peroxide, first aid instruction booklet, list of emergency phone numbers, etc. The golden rule of first aid. Mainly, the golden rule of first aid are calm and composed. Your own safety first. Emergency responses system. Comfort of the injured person. Stopping any bleeding. Immobilizing a person with neck, head, or back pain. Keeping a first aid kit. Primary rule of first aid. The Health and Safety First Aid Regulations 1981 requires you to provide adequate and appropriate first aid equipment, facilities, and people so your employees can be given immediate help if they are injured or taken ill at work. Thank you.